guys, welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. So now, let's go over the solutions to the data structures project we assigned to you earlier. So, let's get started. So, number one was to find a list of prices and then to add them all up and find the total with a 6% tax rate. It should come around the range of 21.89, 21.88. It would be somewhere in between, but around here, that means you're probably correct. Number two, printing this message. Now, you just have to enter in these and put in the right syntax. Again, not too hard. We've gone over this with strings. Number three, price list. You just create a list of prices in the respective order, and then you want to get the third item, which is 50 cents, and so 0.50 or 0.5, and you index it with the index position 2 using square brackets, because the index positions start at 0, it's 2 and not 3. Now, to make that list so it can't be changed, you can either use the built-in tuple method, or basically any way to make it a tuple. Number 5, price dict. Or we're basically creating a dictionary, and then to find the price of spinach, we just index it with spinach, which brings out 2.5. Number 6, you make a set using the built-in set function of a price list or price tuple, either one, it'll make the exact same thing. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and as always, this was Nitro Learn. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We're proud to announce that we're partnering with STEM2Go, which is an online, non-profit, 100% free blog made by high school and college students. Go check them out. I'll leave the links to their blog and Instagram down below. Go give them a follow. Thanks. Bye.